We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. With the help of a heat gun, we apply 90 Celsius degrees during 4 minutes. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. To loosen the adhesive, we use a plastic triangle opening tool. We remove the back cover. We remove the following screws. Very carefully, we remove the upper antenna. This is the fingerprint sensor connector. Now we lose the connector of the fingerprint sensor scanner Touch ID. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Now we remove the screen connector. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. Here we have the power and volume control flex. We disconnect the two coaxial antennas. We remove the screw. Lift gently the device motherboard. You have to be very careful when you remove the earpiece speaker. It can be broken in half very easy. We release the vibration motor, which is attached to the middle frame of the screen. Remove the screws from the bottom of the device. Here we have the loudspeaker. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. We disconnect the coaxial antenna. With the help of the spudger, we remove the sub-motherboard. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. We remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.